Welcome to today's tutorial on how to control who sees your university on Facebook. Maybe you want to reconnect with old classmates or highlight your academic journey, but only for your friends. Here's an updated method to ensure your university details are visible to just your friends. First, let's launch the Facebook app on your device. This is where your digital journey begins. Next, look for the menu icon. It's represented by 3 horizontal lines typically located in the bottom right corner of the app. Tap it to open up a range of options. Now, navigate to your profile. This is your personal space on Facebook, showcasing your life and connections. Once on your profile, find and tap the Edit Profile button. This allows you to modify various aspects of your profile. Scroll down until you find the Details section, then tap the Edit button next to it. This section houses your educational information among other things. Under the Education section, find your university and tap the Edit icon. It looks like a pencil next to it. This allows you to make changes to your university details. Now you'll see a Privacy button. Tap on it to reveal the audience options for your university information. Select Friends from the options. This ensures that only your Facebook friends can see your university listed on your profile. Finally, tap Save to apply the changes. Your university is now visible only to your friends. Adding your college or high school on Facebook allows you to personalize your profile and connect with classmates, alumni, or people who share similar educational experiences. Many users add this information to help friends and potential connections find them more easily, or to join school-related groups.